Welcome, in this video I will show you how to safely clean the charging port on iPad Pro M5. Before you start cleaning the port, you have to turn off your device completely by holding down the power button and the volume down key and slide this circle to power off. Then, in order to clean the USB-C charging port, you have to either use a soft brush or a wooden toothpick, but be careful with the wooden toothpick not to apply too much pressure. Just carefully remove the debris from outside, or carefully insert the soft toothbrush and remove any debris from inside the port. If the debris stays inside, if you can see it in there, then you can also try to use compressed air. Again, be very careful. You have to use the compressed air from an air duster cans to blow out dust particles. Hold the can upright and use short bursts and aimed at the port, and do not insert the air nozzle into the port. Also, absolutely avoid using metal objects or liquids like water or cleaning solvents, as this can damage the port and most probably will. Also, you can shine a flashlight into the port to see if all debris is removed. When you think you're finished, and if you see that the port is clean, then congratulations. At this point you've done everything well, and right now you can turn on your device again by holding down the power key for a while. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.